How to fix if smart lock is not working on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button. And then from the menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix small software glitches, and it will also help you to fix the smart lock issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on apps. Now here again tap on this apps option, and then scroll down and look for Google Play Services app. So tap on this app, go to its storage and clear the cache memory of Google Play Services. So tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared, and after clearing the cache memory, the smart lock will start working. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings again. Scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here, update the phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the software of your phone, the smart lock will start working perfectly. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and this time tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings, and then again tap on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings back to factory default, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after doing this, the smart lock issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the smart lock not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.